In this video, I will show you how to add keyframes in CapCut PC. So on CapCut PC, adding keyframes is pretty simple, and here's how you can actually do it. So for example, in this part of the video, I'm talking about this little card right here and what it basically says. So if I want to have a zoom in right here through keyframes so that I actually have a pretty smooth zoom in, then what I can do is, for example, if I wanted to start here, I can then click on the actual video, but then here you have the scale. And I want to zoom in, so if I want to actually use this, then I can click on the keyframe right here. So now we have added our base keyframe, and now if I want to zoom in slightly over these couple of frames right here, then I can then slide this bar, and now you can see it will create this keyframe automatically because I already have one here. Now I'm just going to do it slightly more. Now you can see it's not really centered. So another thing I'm going to do is right here, create a keyframe for the position. So let's click right here. So it's just this little diamond type of icon, and then I'll move right here, and now I will move it slightly down, so then it will automatically create a keyframe again, as you can see right here. So I'll quickly play this now, and now you can see we have created this kind of zoom in on top of the actual position shift, and it's really smooth and it looks very good. So I'll quickly make it a large screen right here. So you can see now we have basically created this slide zoom in using keyframes. So it's pretty simple, just click on the video, and you also have opacity keyframes, you have rotation keyframes, you can use any type of keyframe you want, but basically next to the thing that you want to change, for example the position, you want to click on the add keyframe thing right here, and then you simply add the keyframe right there. So now you know how to add keyframes in CapCut PC. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.